Okay, this is the start. 1, 2, 3 start. Okay. This is the mini vacuum cleaner created by Gautam Soni. Can you please show your vacuum cleaner?
Yes.
Can you demonstrate it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just put some dust on your t-shirt and then let us show how do you clean this with your mini vacuum cleaner. Can you please start?
Yes.
As you can see, the way this vacuum cleaner is cleaning his t-shirt, the dust from his t-shirt. Nice. Wow. Can you please completely clean this?
Yes.
Wow. Lovely. How did you get this idea?
By motor.
The motor. And now you can see the entire dust has come in the cap. Can you show the dust? Lovely. What all the things you have used?
Bottle can, motor, wires.
Okay. And then you made a hole in a cap and then just fixed the motor in this.
And attached with charger.
And this is a mobile charger you have attached to this?
Yes.
Wow, not the direct plug also. With mobile charger you are running this.
Yes.
Very nice. Good. Give a big applause to Gautam Soni. Can you show your face, please? Please wipe the powder from your face. Nice.